Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for AngelOne account using your mobile device. So here's how you can do it. First of all, download the AngelOne application on your preferred device using your Google Play Store or your App Store. And once you are done, launch the app open. The next step is to tap on the sign up button if you don't have an account yet. In the sign up page, you will need to enter your mobile number. Make sure to enter your mobile phone number and, if available, enter a referral code for yourself. If not, you can tap the next button after entering your phone number. You will then need to enter an OTP sent to your mobile number. Enter the OTP inside the text box, which is 6 digits long, and tap on the next button at the bottom in order to verify your mobile number. After verifying your phone number, set up your MPIN. Your MPIN will be used to log into your AngelOne account, so make sure to enter it correct and then complete your eKYC. Completing your eKYC involves uploading copies of your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, and other supporting documents. Once you are done with it, you can go ahead and fund your account using bank transfer, UPI or net banking, and start investing with the application. But make sure you have a valid phone number and email address, have your PAN card and Aadhaar card handy, be prepared to upload copies of your PAN card and other supporting documents, and after funding your account, you will be able to use your AngelOne account and start investing. So that's how easily you can sign up and create an account for AngelOne. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.